Hi Dragons! I am here to show you an app about volume. Normally we would do this activity in class with real cubes. Obviously we can't do that. So I found this, it's pretty awesome. It's called Cubes. It says grades 3 through 5. Ignore that because it's still awesome even though you're 6th graders. So the activity you're going to do today involves creating as many rectangular prisms as you can using just 24 cubes. And some of you pick up on the patterns really fast. Some of you might need to explore more, and whatever pace you're at is totally fine. So I'm going to try to do 2 quick examples because I only get 5 minutes for the video. And then you'll be able to do the project because you'll be able to use this app to do the project, which is cool because I was worried you couldn't do anything like this. But then I found cubes. So here we go. The thing shown in front of you is called the net. A net is like the outside wrapping of a prism. What do I mean by that? If I click on the sides, I can close this up into a beautiful rectangular prism. It's nice. Okay. Now the one I've created here might already be 24 cubes, but I'm going to start from scratch here. Over in the upper right-hand corner, you have a settings button. Looks like a little gear wheel. If you click this, you can experiment with the sizes, width, depth, height of your rectangular prism. Because your rectangular prism is a 3-dimensional object. We've been studying 2-dimensional objects and only concentrating on area. Now we're taking it to the next level where we're filling it up because it's 3-dimensional. I would start really simple. Let's see if it lets me do this. I know I only have 24 cubes. Okay, it's not going to let me do that. So let me try an arrangement that I think will get to 24. So if I have a width of 1, a depth of 2, and a height of 12, I'm hoping that it'll fill up with 24 cubes. So this is my test here. So I'm going to press OK. And it's a very skinny rectangular prism. I can show you how it closes up. Notice that the top piece closes like a lid. I'm going to unfold it for you, except for this. I'm going to show you how the cubes fill it up. So if you look over on your left-hand side of the screen, you've got cubes, rows, and layers. See, I'm cubes, rows, layers. So if this is your first time ever experimenting with volume, you could just fill it up by cubes, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. And count all the way up to 24, hoping that this is, your end goal. Fill it up by rows. Fill it up by layers. I'm missing a cube. There we go. Fills it up. Fills it up. I can close it up if I like. So now I have a rectangular prism and his volume. I'm going to check to make sure it was 24 cubes because that's the entire point of today's activity. Congratulations, it's 24 cubes. So we did something right. Excellent. Now you want to experiment with a different shape and make sure it's also 24. So we want to change things up. Let's change this to 3. Which makes me want to change this to maybe 8, because 1 times 3 is 3, and then 3 times 8 is 24. Let's see what their prism looks like. Okay, I love this one, because the bottom layer there in gray is 3. And how many layers of 3 do you need to get to 24? How many layers of 3 do you need to get to 24? Hopefully you need 8 layers. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's close it up. Well, that's nice. So that's a rectangular prism. That's 3 by 1 by 8. We type in 24, press check. So we made another arrangement. Now, even if you mathematically can come up with all the arrangements for a rectangular prism that contains 24 cubes, I still want you to experiment with the app. And I can put another more challenging problem on there too to really step up your game. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope this helps and I hope you have fun playing with the app while you're doing this project. See you soon.